Hello students, before starting new topic, today I am going to explain firstly 35th sum of yesterday homework, as some students were asking about this sum. What is in this sum? A two-digit number is obtained by either multiplying the sum of digits by 8 and then subtracting 5 or by multiplying the difference of digits by 16 and then adding 3, then find the number. So what is our requirement? Find the number. So which thing we want to find? Firstly, we suppose that to obtain a number, firstly we suppose its digit, let one's digit is equals to x, ten's digit is equals to y. So therefore what will be two digit original number? 10 into 10's digit plus 1's digit, that means 10y plus x. And what will be number on reversing the digits? That is 10 into x plus y, because when we will reverse the digits, 1's digit will become 10's digit and 10's digit will become 1's digit. This was explained by me yesterday. Okay, now we will write according to question. So what is given? Firstly, a two-digit number is obtained by. A two-digit number is obtained by. So two-digit number is obtained by. What is two-digit number? What is two-digit original number? 10y plus x is obtained by. That means is equal to either multiplying the sum of the digits by 8. Either multiplying the sum of the digits by 8. So sum of the digits, that means x plus y, multiplying the sum of the digits by 8. Okay, टू डिजिट नंबर इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय, दैट मीन्स वो किसके इक्वल मिलता है? आइदर मल्टीप्लाइंग द सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स बाय 8 एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 5, और फिर उसमें से आपने 5 क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So this will be first condition according to the given. Okay, so you can solve it. 10y plus x is equals to 8x plus 8y minus 5. Shift this side, or you can shift these values at that side. Then what you will get? 8x plus 8y minus 5 minus 10y minus x, and we will be left here with 0. 8x minus x, that means 7x. 8y minus 7y, sorry, 8y minus 10y minus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. We can write this will be first condition. Okay, now second condition. First condition was this: a two-digit number is obtained by either multiplying the sum of the digits by 8 and then subtracting 5 up to here. Or that means one thing was that we can obtain this two-digit number in this way, and second one condition is that और हमें कैसे मिल सकता है ये टू डिजिट नंबर? बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग द डिफरेंस ऑफ द डिजिट्स बाय 16, और दिस टू डिजिट नंबर इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय, दैट मीन्स 10y प्लस x किसके इक्वल है? Multiplying the difference of the digits by 16. Difference of the digits. So what will be the difference of the digits? That means difference of digits. Either it can be x minus y or it can be y minus x. So here you will take x minus y or y minus x. That depends on the condition. In first condition, what we are finding? 7x minus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. That means 7x that we can say is equals to 2y plus 5. If we put here different values, then what we will get here? For x is equals to 1, what we will get? 7 into 1 is equals to 2y plus 5. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2y. 2 is equals to 2y. That means what we are getting y as 1. So for x is equals to 1, we are getting x and y both are equal. Let's we check for any other value. It was value is 7x is equals to 2y plus 5. So if you are giving values to x, you want to find the value of y. That means we can say 7x minus 5 is equals to 2y. If you are putting x is equals to 1, then what you are getting? 7 into 1 minus 5 is equals to 2y. 7 minus 5, 2 is equals to 2y. That means y is equals to 1. We are getting same. Let's we check for any other value. Put x is equals to 3. Then what we will get? 7 into 3 minus 5 is equals to 2y. 21 minus 5. That means 16 is equals to 2y. That means what will be value of y then? 8. So 4x is equals to 3, y is equals to 8. That means from here what we have? Y is greater than x. We are getting y greater than x. So if we have to take difference of the digits, and digits are x and y, so difference of digits, we always subtract smaller number from the greater number. So it means we will subtract x from y. So now what is the second condition? Multiplying the difference of digits by 16. So here what condition we will take? Y minus x, because y is greater than x, and then adding 3. 2-digit number is obtained either by this condition, or that means 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the difference of digits by 16 and then adding 3. 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digits by 16 and then adding 3. डिफरेंस ऑफ डिजिट्स को 16 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आपने क्या ऐड करना है? 3. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड कंडीशन. यू कैन सोल्व इट. 10y plus x is equals to 16y minus 16x plus 3. You can solve it. 16y minus 16x plus 3 minus 10y minus x is equals to 0. Minus 16x minus x minus 17x. 16y minus 10y, 6y plus 3 is equals to 0. If you want to take common, then you can take common. Otherwise, minus 17x plus 6y plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the second equation. So this is second equation, and this was your first equation. So you can solve these first and second for x and y. So solve it for x and y, and after that substitute value in 10y plus x. You will get the required number, and that is the solution of this sum. Okay, thank you.